Hello everyone. Now we're doing it a bit different. As you can see, we have a bit of a, we have a bit of a risk fight going on here. You know? And we don't say good luck in risk fights, okay? We don't want our opponent to do well. Okay? It's a risk fight. And actually I won't be talking much because I actually need to concentrate. Your max is 31. And I risk it for the biscuits, but I don't get the biscuits. I don't get biscuits, man. You gotta eat again. There you go. Eat. Eat. Oh, he could have had me there. But 31 is very rare. I am shitting myself. Combo in. He's gonna gain momentum. Oh my god!